You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful yummicious golden buns. These French buns, the best ever. Yeah, if you have not tried these lovely buns before, it's a great opportunity for you to do so because I know you will love it. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. Here are the ingredients you need for this recipe. Your flour, you need your butter. You can see the quantity on the screen: sugar, cinnamon, milk. This is evaporated milk, vanilla flavor. We have our baking powder, salt, and 3 eggs. Yes. So first thing is to microwave your butter a bit. This is the easiest way to make those buns if you don't want to like stress yourself much. You have something like this and you pour into your mixing bowl and you add in your sugar and you start creaming. If you don't want to microwave it a little, just pour the butter into your mixing bowl, add the sugar, you start creaming as if you want to bake cake. That is the recipe. Cream till you have a fluffy batter. And for the milk, if you don't have liquid milk, evaporated milk, please get cold water. The quantity I'm using today is 2 cups of milk. So get 2 cups of cold normal water, not cold water, normal temperature water, and you add 2 cups of milk, 2 full powdered cups of milk. Dissolve it and you can still use it. Add all your dry ingredients together and you stir very well and you set aside. Yes, back to our liquid. I will be adding half tablespoon of vanilla flavor to it, and I'll cream a little. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new videos. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Okay, right now you start adding your flour little at a time and you add your milk. If it's looking thicker, you drop a little milk to it. You continue till you have a very drawing butter. Yes, you need a very drawing butter. You need to be very call it gentle about this, not to over add your milk in case. So if you over add, you have to add extra flour to it, but this time around just take it little at a time to have a very drawing batter that is very thick. That is what we are going to achieve from this. So continue mixing a little. This is just like I fast forward the video, that is why it's going fast. You don't need to like do it very fast. All you need to make sure that the flour disappears, no lumps in your batter. Yeah, take your time to mix this thoroughly. If you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Feel free to refer somebody to this channel. Take your time to do this. So this is the easiest buns you will try. I promise you, you will come back with testimony. So take your time and mix. Immediately you're done adding all the ingredients, remove your spatula, your wooden spoon, and you wash your bare hands very well. You don't need a glove right now, and you use your hand to beat this. Yes, beat very hard that you have a very thick and drawing batter before you start frying. At this time, you have to set the oil on the heat on a medium heat. Make sure the oil is very low. Make sure it's very low, so that when your buns start cooking, it will cook right inside. You can decide to use a little drop to test if the oil is ready. When it comes up, you know your oil is pretty ready. You will start molding in your buns. This is the way you mold, exactly the way you mold your puff puff. I don't know whether this is your own style, but this is my own puff puff style. So I use the same style to mold these buns. Right now I'm not comfortable with the oil. I need to allow it a little because these buns need to be at the top. Immediately you drop it, it will start coming up. Look at that. I'm happy the oil is set, very set. So I'll go back and start molding again and again. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time I'm watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different pastries. I know you will love, so feel free to be a part of this channel. And if you're new, feel free to click on the subscribe button to be getting alert of my newest video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you for coming back today. I love you so much. So don't forget to like this video and feel free to ask questions. If I have not replied your comment, I'm sorry. I will soon reply all because I'm having a lot around me right now. But with time, I will make sure I reply all the comments. I love you all. So this is the way you mold. You can see as we are molding, the buns is coming to the top. Look at that beauty. The color is so great and amazing. If you hate buns, please try this. I know some people don't like eating buns. Buns is not a snack, it's not a pastry for them. But I promise you, try this recipe, you will come back with testimony. This is the only buns that taste like cake. I call it buns cake, some call it golden buns, some call it French buns. But my name for this is buns cake or cake buns. It's so lovely. Please, you have to give it a try. Like I said, this heat is on a medium heat so that the buns will cook right inside and outside. You don't need very hot oil. You don't need a very high heat, but a very low heat, not like too low, but at least medium is cool to make sure that the buns cook inside and outside. Look at the beauty. Isn't this attractive? This is so beautiful. Take your time to turn. You can use your frying spoon to turn it around. Oh, looking beautiful. So take your time to turn it around and you keep turning till you have this beautiful golden brown before you remove the buns. Right now our buns is ready. Look at that beauty. Yeah, wow. So it's time to remove this badge. This badge is ready. This is exactly what you need to achieve before you start taking out your buns. Immediately you have those beautiful golden brown. Please remove. So we'll go in with the last set just the same way. Go again and again and again. That is it. You can see the way I picked it up and drop. Pick and drop method is what I call this. I don't know what you call yours, but this is my pick and drop method. So this is so beautiful. If you're new to my channel, please join this lovely channel. I have more than 500 videos I know you will love. Please check out my videos and enjoy yourself. please don't just watch this and go. Just check out other videos. I have more than 500 videos. I know you, very detailed, so feel free to check them all and enjoy. This is the result. I love you so much, and thanks a million for watching. Don't forget to enjoy this, and feel free to chat me on my Telegram at Progressive Recipe.